Dust off your playbooks and be part of one of Australia's leading cybersecurity conferences. At the AusCERT2021 conference, the focus is on the automation of the cybersecurity response, improving efficiencies, and making security a more self-operating function within organizations. Our annual cybersecurity conference attracts over 800 participants every year. This year, the conference is going hybrid, with flexible options for participants to attend in person on the sunny Gold Coast at the Star Hotel and Resort, or online from the comfort of your own home or office. Get ready to soar with guest speakers focusing on topics that tie in with the theme of security orchestration, automation, and response. If you're keen to interact with key decision makers, top experts in the field, vendors, technical staff, and other information and cybersecurity professionals, our 4-day conference is the conference to attend. With a dynamic, interactive, and hybrid conference experience, we guarantee you'll have meaningful engagements that can lead to new business opportunities, new learnings, and new networks. Register for the AusCERT 2021 conference today.